Boy, it's been a long time since the last time I saw you. Feels like nothing changed since we've been together. I must admit that I'll go crazy about you. And I can see it in your eyes that there's something you wanna say to me. 'Cause usually right now you'll be holding on to me, but instead you're telling me that things have changed, they're not the same. And recently you found someone that you decided to dedicate your whole life to. And what we had has got to be through. And maybe what hurts the most is letting go. I just want you to know that I love you, so I know things are different now. You've gone and settled down. I thought for sure you'd always wait for